All right, good morning. So what we're going to learn right now is how to create a stem and leaf display using Megastat, the add-on in Excel. So over here we've got our file open, and it's just called stem and leaf. And what this is the number of 30-second advertising spots purchased by 45 automobile dealers last year. So, for example, 96 would tell us that one of those automobile dealers purchased 96 advertising spots last year. So, we've got all this information and we want to create a stem and leaf. The first thing we need to know is where our data is. And here our data starts in cell A3. And if we scroll down, we'll see it ends in cell A47. We're going to need that to just let Megastat know where to look to find the data. So in order to do this, it's not going to be too bad. We're just going to go up to the menu. We're going to slide over until we see the data menu. Click on that. And then we'll go to the far right where it says Megastat. Once we've got that, we're going to click on Megastat. Now, in the past, we've used frequency distributions, but this time we're going to actually use descriptive statistics. And I'm going to go through, and when that comes up, the first thing I have to do is input my range. So I want it to look from cell A3 colon A47. So my data is between cells A3 and A47. I don't need the mean. I don't need the sample variance or deviation. I don't need min, max, or range. I'm just going to go down to stem and leaf plot. I don't need to click on split stems, so I'm just going to click on stem and leaf plot. Once I've done that, I'll hit OK. And if you have multiple files open, by the way, sometimes it will actually open up the other file for you instead. So apologize for that, but here we are. We're back. So this is my output page. So that was my data, number of spots purchased, my output page here. And we can now go and just widen these columns a little bit. Ooh. So we can see down here, we've got our stem and leaf plot. And we can add borders to that if we want. So if you want to do that, just right click, format cells, go to borders. Outline inside. The other thing that we do get here with Megastat, let me just do that. Perfect. Is it'll create a frequency column as well. So this just tells us, oh, there's two observations in it. Stem 8, 7 for stem 9, 6 for stem 10, etc., etc. But there's our stem and leaf right there. So nothing else to worry about on that one. We're good to go. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to email me. Other than that, you folks have yourselves an awesome day.